There it is. Okay. So what you want to do is you triple jump, butt slide, and try to get yourself in this groove. And you got to land it right on the downward slope. So if you ever played like ATV Off-Road Fury or I forget the name of it, but some like game with a little bird, like a mobile game. You want to land like perfectly on the downslope of this little groove, and that'll give you the speed to get a good jump out of that. So you can get up high on this slope. You want to get up there, be able to slide down that so that you can get enough speed to jump onto the roof. So you want to aim for the groove on the right side of this waterfall after you land up here and start butt sliding. So you'll go like this. Nope. There it is. And this is hard, I can't do this one yet, but like the triple jump, you have to be aimed slightly downhill. And then somehow get yourself up onto the top portion of the roof. So yeah, Ouija's world record is safe for now. There it is. Oh my god. Alright, hope that helps. Thanks for watching.